Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get gear in Dark War Survival. When it comes to getting gear in Dark War Survival, it's all about progression and exploration. To start, you'll need to unlock the equipment feature by upgrading your watchtower. Once it reaches a certain level, you'll gain access to the equipment system, allowing you to equip your heroes with powerful gear. Now, for actually obtaining gear, there are several ways. The first is through exploration and battles. As you complete missions, explore the map, and engage in combat, you'll earn random gear drops. Another great source is raider events, which often reward valuable equipment. And of course, don't forget to check the in-game store regularly, where you can purchase gear that fits your hero's specific needs. So keep upgrading, stay active in events, and you'll soon have your heroes checked out and the best gear available. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.